Hello, today we are going to learn about the T network or T combination. Previously, we stated different types of resistor combinations. The T network is another type of resistor combination. So, what is T network? A T network is a three resistor network arranged in the shape of the letter T. This network looks like the capital letter T. In these circuits, the resistors are arranged in a T shape, which is why it is called a T network. And a Y network can also be used as a T network because it looks similar to a capital T, and it has a center point with resistors connected in different directions, which makes it similar to the T structure. And in a T network, we have three resistors R1, R2, and R3. R1 and R2 are connected in series with each other. Between them, there is R3, which is a shunt resistor. R3 is connected in parallel with both R1 and R2, and the T network is used in several applications, and it can be used as a replacement for other resistor networks such as delta and star networks. And T network used in attenuator and used to simplify complex circuits, and it used to convert circuit forms, and also it used to match impedances. When we say attenuator is a circuit that reduces signal strengths of, for example, in audio volume control circuit. And what is impedance matching is what is a technique or a method used to match two circuits impedance. So in this case, power transfers efficiently. For example, this impedance matching is used between amplifier and the speaker or antenna in antenna circuits, and it is also used in, which is T network is used in network conversion formulas, which help convert delta networks or Y networks into equivalent formulas or forms. Now let us look at another network that is related to the T network. Another resistor combination is pi network or pi combination. When we study the T network, we also study the pi network. In the same way, when we study the delta or triangle network, we also study the star or Y network. So what is pi network? Pi network a is a resistor network that has what that has the shape of the Greek letter pi. As we can see in this circuit, the arrangement of resistors looks like the pi symbol. When resistors are connected in this shape, the circuit is called what? Called pi network. And in a pi network, we have three resistors R1 and R2. R1 and R3 are connected in parallel, and R2 is what? R2 is connected in series between them. And the pi network is used in several applications such as attenuator or which is to reduce signal strength, and in filters to remove or reduce noise from the signals, and used in impedance matching to make circuits work efficiently together, and which is used for equivalent circuit modeling where complex networks like delta, star, or T networks can be represented using what? Using a pi network. Now let us see the conversion between these networks, which is pi to T and T to pi conversion. The reason this conversion is needed is because sometimes T network cannot simplify directly using parallel and series rules, and in this case T must be converted into pi. In the same way, sometimes network cannot simplify directly using parallel and series rule. In this case, what? Pi must be converted into T. And these network conversion formulas are similar to the ones we stated earlier for a delta star and star delta conversions. So we use these two networks in place of each other to help remember how to find their formulas. In so in this pi network we have what? We have T network. So in the pi network, resistors are RAB, RBD, RAC. So in T network, we have resistors RA, RB, and RC. So let us see conversion between pi to T network. So when we convert pi to T, for we let us start from RA is equal to RAB times RAC over sum of what? Sum of resistors in pi. And RB is equal to RAB times RBD divided by sum of resistors in pi. Also RC is equal to RBC times RAC divided by sum of resistors in what? In pi network. And so to remember this formula, we use simple rule to remember this formula, which each resistor in the T network is equal to the product of the two adjacent pi resistors divided by what? The sum of the three resistors. So in all, in these three resistors, when we find these three resistors, what first? In this all, what? The sum, there is divided or divided by what? The sum of the three resistors, and uh, each resistor is in pi, sorry, in T is what? Is equal to product of two adjacent resistors. For example, RA is what? In pi. So this adjacent are what? RAC times RAB. So simply we we multiply adjacent two adjacent resistors and divided by the sum of three resistors in what? In pi network. Now let us see T to pi conversion. So let us start from finding RAB. So RAB is equal to RA times RB plus RB times RC plus RC times RA divided by what? RC. And RBD is equal to RA times RB plus RB times RC plus RC times RA over what? RA, or divided by RA. And the last one, RAC is equal to RA times RB plus RB times RC plus what? RC times RA divided by RB. So also we use simple rule, which is each resistor in the pi network is equal to the sum of the product of all two resistor combinations in the T network divided by the opposite T network, which is we take what? Two possibilities